In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a message as unread in Microsoft Teams. This simple process can help you manage your communications better by allowing you to revisit important messages at a time that suits you best. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by heading over to teams.microsoft.com. Once you're there, use your Microsoft account credentials to sign in. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure you have your login details handy, as this will let us access the Teams dashboard where all the action happens. Once signed in, the main interface might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the different features available, but don't worry, we're going to keep things simple today. To begin, look towards the left-hand sidebar on your screen. This is your navigation hub in Teams. Here, you should either see a chat or Teams icon. Click on either one depending on where the message that you want to mark as unread is located. If you're not already familiar, the chat section contains your direct conversations with colleagues, while the Teams area is where your groups or channels are managed. After selecting Chat or Teams, you should see a list of your existing conversations and messages appear. The next step is to find the specific message that you want to keep track of. Take your time scrolling through if you need to, since ensuring you're choosing the right conversation is important for effective follow-ups. Once you've located the message, the next step is to hover over it. By doing so, you'll notice a small menu appear, usually represented as 3 little dots, also known as More Options. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for interacting with that message thread. From the menu that appears, simply select the Mark as Unread option. By doing this, your message will be highlighted as unread, helping it stand out and making it easier for you to come back to it later. This feature is particularly useful for messages you've glanced at but need to address with more thought at a more convenient time. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you have effectively marked a message as unread in Microsoft Teams. This little trick is an excellent way to manage your workload and ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging!